Oh, what's up, everybody? Gladiator Gaming here. Today we're doing something different. We're gonna show you how to build a car. ScrapMecanic. So, on the left, oh, it's already on two. What you're gonna need, you're gonna actually build a wall for what you're gonna need. You need 4 wheels, any type. You can use these big wheels or fine, or the ones in survival. You're gonna need 4 of these. You're gonna need 6 bearings, or you can have more depending. 4-wheel drive, 4 wheels, so 4 for the steering, 2 for the steering, and 4 for the thing. Then you're gonna want a seat, 1 engine, and then any block of your choice, and you're gonna need a connect tool, lift. This is what we're gonna need. So, depending on what car, we're just gonna build this car so that can drive. So, I'm gonna start the outline. Say this is very much your seat. It's very much your seat. You can use any block. We're just start. So you got the seat. Then behind you want the engine. And you're gonna hook it up like that. Use your connect tool to hook it up. This is crucial because if you don't, connect your wheels and then start powering it up, and you have gas if you're doing this. If you're doing it in survival, just gonna go drive off. What you want to do next is extend it out if you want. Lift it up. So there's gonna add some stuff to this order. Also gonna want 2 of these bad boys. So you want to put 2 bearings. Strap. One there. Height. Right there. Right there. If you want, you can add for each. Or if you want, you can do boom. You don't need bearings unless you want 4 steering. Those are your 2 bearings up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have a basic car. As you can see, it can't do anything. What you want to do now, you actually want to get rid of this wheel right here. You're gonna want 4 of these. Now, you put that there, move these wheels, because we got a problem. Because if we add steering, you can't steer very good. Now you do that. Now you connect up your steering, and put your bearings back for your wheels. Now put your wheels on. And you see the steering's inverted. So now you want to go turn it. Now, but we can't go. So that's what you need to do with your engine. Now when you turn it on, they're going backward and forth. You want to turn, no, never mind. Turn this side right here. Then you have a working car. This is just a simple car. Pretty simple to build. This is a car you can build with these resources. If you don't want to use pipes, you can use blocks instead. but it's just going to be a blocky build. So you have the option for this or blocks. Then, so you build your basic car. Just say, you want a little bit more, like, just say you want to go exploring. But you can't, but it's really hard terrain. So you want to take this car. So we're just going to leave that there. We're going to save it. We're going to say, oh, we're going to name it tutorial car. I'm just doing this so I can. Oh. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, so this is just a basic car that I can drive. But if you want to go do a different car that can do like really good at off-roading, what you're gonna need is a seat, 4 wheels, 6 bearings, engine. You don't want these again. Again, you can just use blocks, and you're gonna want some blocks. What's different this time is you're gonna want 4 suspension. So this is spawn that car that we built. And open it up. What you want to do is to delete all of this. What you're gonna do is now do stuff like that. Leave this thing how it is. But you see, you can't put that like that. So that's the point. So, oh, I forgot to put some parts on. Oops. You see, you can't attach a suspension there. So what you want to do is come over here, like so. You don't require this. It's useful. If you're in creative mode, you can do this. So you get rid of one of these. You put one block like that. You put a block. Then you put your suspension back. Then you go grab your welding tool. Weld it back on like so. Weld it back on. So now, we go over here, we place one block down, one block down. That. Now you got that. Now you put down your wheels, your bearings. Now you can customize the stiffness all you want. And just hook up your engine again. Now you got an off-road car. Now you got an off-road car. Like so. So this is like a basic car you can do. That works. You could do like a off-road thing. But if you don't want to use these massive springs, you can use these small springs. I'm not going to show you how they work due to some other car tutorials. use these. Those are sport ones. They're lower to the ground, but they don't like give you as much suspension use. So you have an off-road car and a starter car where you can put stuff on it. Then you're like, I need something that can like haul stuff around. Like for example, like let's just say you have like a little buggy. Like you could put this, like you want like a truck, pickup truck with a trailer. So you kind of want this same stuff here. So we're gonna make an air wall. You're still gonna want, but instead you're gonna want 2 extra for your trailer. Let me check my 10. Alright. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is gonna be for like the regular car. These 3 right here to make the trailer kind of like do stuff. These 2 are gonna be for your trailer wheels. You'll also want a seat, engine, optional suspension if you want, but we're not doing suspension. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2. You're gonna want 6 of these for the wheelbase thing. Stick the So what you want to do with your first ring, this is even, so that's bad, but we're still gonna, you don't want to do that. Then you're gonna want one like that. Now you see how it's like going all over the place? Then you're gonna want like that. Now you can make your trailer. Like so. Go under here. Put your things. And then you put your wheels on. You do not want to connect these up. So now, you have a trailer that you can haul around with your car, and it goes up and down, I think, on the chest. Yeah, it goes up and down. And then that berm right there is so if you're on an incline, it stays level. That's if you want kind of like a trailer car type situation. See? Yeah. You got trailer car, regular car, and then you got an off-road vehicle. So this is multi-purpose. You can put like store items. You can put cars. You can put food crates. This is if you're in Ferrari. So we built 3 cars today in this tutorial. So let's see, you can actually see the parts list. That's what you're gonna need for this car. That's what you're gonna need for this car. That's what you're gonna need. These top ones, you can swap them out anytime. Those are the different things I didn't teach you how to do in this episode. We make a series out of tutorials and tips and tricks that I've learned with my 800 hours of playing. Gladiator Gaming, out.